Fresh and aromatic coffee meets the creamy smooth chocolate of Britannia Bourbon biscuits in this delicious tiramisu recipe. Hey everyone, my name is Kanak and you're tuned into Britannia Dessert Carnival, but today I'm going to show you how to prepare quick and easy Britannia Bourbon tiramisu. So keep watching. So for this we are going to prepare the basic custard filling first. So in a bowl I am going to take the egg yolks. Next goes in the granulated sugar and then the marsala wine. So I am going to place this pot over simmering water to make the custard and I am going to continuously whisk this. So keep whisking this just for a while until the custard becomes nice, thick, light and pale in color, and it should double in volume. So guys, here I have used some marsala wine because the authentic tiramisu is prepared this way, but if you don't want to use this, then you can simply use some vanilla essence. And the chunky tip of the day is that here I have used some egg yolks, but in case if you don't want to use that, you can simply use some sweetened condensed milk and skip the sugar. So our custard filling is ready, it's nice and thick. I am going to switch off the flame and bring this down to room temperature first, and then I am going to show you what to do next. So a custard filling has come down to room temperature and has become slightly more thicker, as you can see. So to this I am going to fold in the mascarpone cheese first. And next goes in the whipped cream. And now I am going to simply fold everything together. So our basic tiramisu filling is ready. You can see it's nice, creamy and smooth. We'll keep this aside for now. And next up in a bowl, I'm going to prepare the coffee solution. For that, I've taken this espresso. So basically, it's a coffee dissolved water. To this, I'm going to add some powdered sugar to give that sweetness and some liquor. So today, I'm using brandy, but if you want, you can use any other liquor of your choice or simply skip it. Mix this until the sugar is nicely dissolved in the coffee solution. So our coffee solution is ready, our tiramisu filling is also ready, and what are we waiting for? Let's start layering our tiramisu, for which I have taken this nice small shallow dish, and in this I am going to layer up the bourbon biscuits. So here I have already removed the bourbon biscuits. So just simply soak this into the coffee solution and then start layering onto this shallow dish. So our biscuit base is ready, as you can see, and now I'm going to top it up with the velvety tiramisu filling. So in goes the tiramisu filling, you can see. It's nice and creamy and I can smell that lovely aroma of coffee. Just spread it nicely on top of this. And now we will put the another layer of coffee soaked biscuits. So usually in the tiramisu, sponge cake or lady fingers are used, but today I want to make it really chocolatey and creamy. So today I am using this Britannia Bourbon's thick chocolate cream biscuits, which will give the right texture to this tiramisu. And a second layer of the biscuits are also ready. And again I am going to top it up with some tiramisu filling. And just tap it a bit on the kitchen platform. So this is done. I'm just going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'm going to dust it with some cocoa powder on top. So I'm going to keep this aside for now. And all our layers are ready. I'm going to simply dust it with some cocoa powder on top. So this tiramisu is ready to go into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or until chill enough. So our tiramisu is nicely set, and here you go, your perfect looking tiramisu is ready. And if you enjoyed watching the recipe today, Do give it a like, share the recipe with your loved ones and subscribe here for more such yummy goodness from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon in my next recipe. Till then, take good care. Bye-bye.